Hi, I'm from Times Partner. This is our CRM software related to the laptop industry. In views, we have four views, which is customer view, job view, schedule view, and contract view. Let's check each view one by one. First is the customer view. Customer view has all the customer related informations. To search an existing customer, we can use this filter by option. We can search in terms of name, mobile number, customer ID, etc. For example, let me search for a customer times. It will show all the customer name. Let me select the appropriate name and click on update. Now it will be showing the customer informations, customer address, and the list of machines that we have given to the customer. For example, we have given laptop, desktop, and one camera, the Times Partner customer. Select the machine. You'll be having the machine details at the bottom. It is related to the brand name, model, and when it is given, etc. Added to that, we have contract information and the contract schedule. Contract information detail is nothing but whether the machine is in the warranty period or AMC period. When you scroll down, you'll be able to check the period and the start date and the end date. At the bottom, you'll be able to see the contract schedules. For example, here the service count we have mentioned as 4, once in 3 months. So it will be showing 4 schedules which we need to complete. Once that is completed, the completed on date will be updated. At the bottom, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the job in the history. This shows details of all the calls that the customer, in case calls in for any issue, that complaint will be raised as a job. So the last is on November 13th, and it is related to the OS installation, and the ticket is also closed. You can check all the details here. Now let's add a new customer. To add a new customer, click on Add Customer option. When you click on Add Customer page shows up. Here we need to mention the customer name. For example, I've mentioned as Vidya for testing purpose. Then select the state, zone, area, type in the mobile number, and then click on Save. Now the informations will be saved. Once after adding the customer, we need to add the machines. For example, here we have already given laptop, desktop to the customer, Times Partner, and a camera also. In case we need to add any other new machine, if a customer is buying any other new machine, we can add them by clicking on Add Machine option. Once when you click on Add Machine option, the page comes up. Here we need to mention the machine type, whether what are the machines that we are providing. For example, here they provide CCTV, desktops, electricals, and laptops. So let me have select laptop, the installation date, brand name, whether it is a Dell, HP, or something like that, and the model name. And we need to select the install at. In case of desktops, if a customer has more than 2 desktops or 3 desktops, for example, in companies we have more desktops. In that case, you can mention the area where it is located or installed at can be mentioned. So that will be easy for the identification purpose. Then let me click on save. Now the machine details will be saved. Now we have added a new customer, added the machine to the customer. Now we need to add the contract for that particular machine. So for example, if you are installing any machine newly, the machine will be in the warranty period for 1 year, after which we will be moving that warranty into AMC. That has to be mentioned here. So now when you click on add contract, this page comes up. You need to mention the contract date. Supported by will be our company name. Then what is the type of the contract, whether it is an warranty, AMC, or LMC, which is a labor maintenance contract. We can mention it, the contract status, and whether it is a comprehensive or non-comprehensive. In warranty period, how many counts of service we will be providing has to be given in the contract count, and the duration in once in how many months we will be giving that service. So once in 3 months we'll be giving the service. Mention the start name, it automatically calculates the end name. Then click on save. Now the contract details informations will be saved. So the line goes like this. First is adding an customer. In case you have any options to update, you can edit the customer details, then add machine, add contract, then job register. You have already given a machine to a customer. For example, if a customer faces any issue in this Dell laptop, select this and then click on job register. The job register page comes up. This is how it will be. Mention the job date when we have received the call. I'll be mentioning the date. The time also can be mentioned. Then the job type. Mention the job type. Whether if it is in the warranty, you can mention as warranty period. If it's in any AMC contract, if you can mention the AMC contract, or if it in case of it's a chargeable call, you can also mention as chargeable call. Mention the main complaint. Then part complaint in case you have any. Then committed date. When will be your technician will check the issue. You can mention that date. For example, if a technician is available on 17th, you can mention as 17th. If he's available today, you can mention as 16th. And also you can mention the allocated technician. If in case none of the technician is available, you can just save it. Let me save it by updating the complaint details and then click on save. Now it has taken all the informations and it has updated successfully. You need to send SMS, click on no for it. Now we have created a job. The complaint is mentioned as job. So now you need to check the status of the job. Once a job is created, it goes to the open state. If in case the technician is allocated, it goes to the allocated state. Then it goes on to the in progress state, and then the technician will be completing the job and moving it to the completed state. Now it's in the open status. Let me update the technician. So I'm mentioning the technician here and updating it. Click on OK. Now it moves to the allocated state. When the committed time comes up, the date and the time comes up, then it moves to the in progress state. Now the committed time has come. So when you check in the in progress, it moves to the in progress. Now the technician will be updating the job. So we'll have a mobile app too, wherein the technician will be updating in the mobile app. Whatever the technician updates, it gets updated in the software side. Then we need to click on the recent OK and complete the job. So this is how the job flow goes. When you click on yes, the FSR report, the service report will also get generated. This is the job flow. Now, to check the schedule details, we can go for the schedule view. In view, we have schedule view. So if in case we need to check a particular customer's AMC or warranty details, we can check that too. Or we can select the from date and to date. For example, let me mention this month and click on search. It will be showing all the AMC and the warranty period details. Let me modify the year. And then let's click on search. Like this, it shows the warranty and the AMC period. It also mentions the number of services done. So we have to give 4 services and we have not given any service yet. That details will also be coming up here. Then in views, we have one more view called the contract view. When you select the contract view, it will show the contract end date details. So already we have 2 contracts. So the contract expiry date will be available. If in case it's going to end, you can call to that customer and renew a new AMC. Thank you.